we are really happy and grateful that we were selected as finalists for the 3D Pioneer Challenge. Yes!
I'm a finalist.
It's a real honor.
Super happy and quite proud
to be among all these great contributions.
I'm overwhelmed by the fact that you have chosen me as a finalist for
the 3D Pioneers Challenge 2024.
As students, we are always excited to take part in such a challenge.
What a pleasure.
Super excited.
We are super happy. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having us.
Happy about the opportunity.
Congratulations to every 3D Pioneers Challenge finalist. Amazing.
Stay tuned for more.
I cannot wait to see all of the exciting projects.
Looking forward to it.
See you
at Rapid.Tech today.